He went after that slider that hits it pretty good to center. It's caught by Hicks. The runner tags and scores from third base. Here's the pitch. It's upstairs, ball 4. In comes.
Held it out there.
And he got him. Got Larrivee out in front for the strikeout. However, the Penguins come back to score 1. We're back. Now Sullivan hits it pretty good out to left. Going back at the warning track, looking up. It's gone. Detmer runs out of room. Matt Sullivan made a great defensive play, and he just gave the Penguins a 2-1 lead here in the bottom of the 7th.
Well, what a hit for Sullivan.
Bohm hits this pretty good. Stays up long enough, and Kevin Hicks. Here's the pitch. Strike 3 swinging. Yerabinnik nails it down for the Penguins, and they take the series win. There's still one more tomorrow as the Penguins win it 2-1, and we'll wrap it up. When we come back, Penguins are really starting the homestand on the right foot. They're winners of 2 in a row. We'll